Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the watch and getting to the app screen. This ensures the QR interface is available. Once the watch is on and unlocked, swipe through faces to reach the app grid because many models hide connectivity tools in settings. Tap Settings or the pairing app immediately. This is the first actionable touch that triggers the QR code option. Make sure you keep the phone nearby, since the watch often displays a QR only when waiting for a mobile app connection. Now you navigate menus to the pairing entry because the QR is generated there. Tap Connectivity or Bluetooth, then choose Pair New Device or Phone. The watch creates a temporary QR for secure linking. If the watch offers a companion app flow, open that app on your phone and select Scan QR so both devices are ready simultaneously. This prevents timeouts. Keep motions steady and watch the screen. The QR often appears for only a short. You finish by scanning the watch QR with your phone camera. Hold the phone steady and ensure good lighting because glare causes failed scans. Once done, confirm the companion app shows a successful pairing message. This final step completes secure setup. If the code does not appear, reboot the watch and check firmware, since outdated software can hide pairing screens. Make sure low power mode is off and try again within 1 to 2 minutes, because QR codes often expire quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.